everyone, welcome back to the cottage. I am Cheyenne with the Rosevine Cottage Girls, and it is hive inspection day. We've had our nukes in place for about a week. The weather is finally cooperating, so we can get in there. It's nice and warm today, very humid, and we got some more rain coming in this weekend, so I want to get this done now. So I'm going to bring you along as we check our swarm hive and then our two nuke hives. If you caught our earlier video installing them, you were all caught up and you know what's happened, but we went last Sunday, I think now, and got a couple of nukes, and just before that we had a swarm move into one of our old hives. So everyone has been situated and we've seen lots of activity, and we're just going to get in there and just check on anyone and see if there's any problem spots that we need to identify and treat quickly. And just see how everyone's doing, make sure everyone's settled in well and our queens survived when they've been, and hopefully we'll see some brood. If we're lucky, we'll get to see the queens, and we'll have a good hive inspection. So come on, let's get started. Alright, it is time to check our hives for our first inspection since we got our two nukes installed and the swarm moved into our first hive. Keep that going. Wrong side. Let's go play. This is hive 1. This is our swarm hive. to break the propolis apart so I can get these frames out. So just move really slowly. This is a really chill hive, so. We've got lots of brood in this one. It's a half brood. Hoping I can see what's there. Trying not to put the frames up and down so they get knocked loose while I'm looking. We've got more brood on this way. Lots of cat brood on this side. This side is looking great. Oop, there's the queen. I don't think you can see her, but she's over.
I can't see.
Pinky right here. Got a little bit of burr comb going on at the bottom. This board is heavy. They've done a great job filling it. Side is looking great too. I'm going to try to get a closer shot of her and get right where you are. Trying to remember to pump that every once in a while so it doesn't go out on me. Well, this hive is super sweet. I've never been in the other two. So, just want to handy, just to be safe. Move it really slow and steady so we don't squish our queen. Lots of honey on this one. Looks like a little guy was falling on his nose. Oh, that looks great. Lots of capped brood on this side. If you can see it, but that one with the queen and see how you can see it, or just move on? Back where they go. Alright, this is hive number 2. This is one of our nukes. And they look fantastic. I'm going to get in here and pull each tray and check it out. But we're looking great. Alright, on to hive 3. I found the queen in hive 2. Lots of brood. Lots of stages. They're collecting honey. I got some pollen. I know, Winston. Excuse the bottle baby who thinks he's got to be the center of attention. Right. There we go. Right. This one looks a lot like the first one. They have really filled out the hive already. We started these ones with already drawn out comb on a lot of the frames. So they kind of had a head start. I'm scraping the extra comb they're building on top of the frames off. It's going to make it easier to get in and out. And then breaking the propolis apart. I'm a little antsy on open the tower here. Some little bit milk. There we go. Alright, I'm going to pop out the second frame first. Try to. There we go. Got a phone call, so my handy camera lady had to go. So I've got to set it up on a tripod. We're going to do this one together. Alright, hopefully you can see that. But on this board, I'm seeing some pollen, some honey. Flip it over. Same thing on that side. Alright, I've got an empty box. Try to gently put this in so it's not easy. And go from there. And we're just looking to see how they're doing. This is our second nuke. Looking good. Pollen. Some capped off cells on the side. Looking good. Got some more capped off cells on this side and this side, which is a good sign our queen is still about. Getting sore after 3 hives. Alright. This is our newest hive that we put together in preparation. Preparation for getting bees this year. Lots of cat cells. Looks like potentially some drone brood. Not seeing any queen on this board, but judging by the amount of cat eggs or brood, I would assume she's here. Just gonna gently slide this back in. These two stick together. Lots of capped brood on this side. These hives are so gentle. We had a kind of a spicy one last year. These girls are super sweet, super chill. Lots more pollen and capped brood on this board. These guys aren't as crazy about drawn out comb as that second hive. I had to go in and clean up one of the side walls. I need to stop dropping that on the ground. Clean up one of the side walls because they were drawing comb all the way down it. And that really does not make it easy to get in here and do inspections. Lots of baby brood on this board. I don't know if you can see that. Got some pollen. Got some funky comb on this one. Which, if I sit it down, I think I can cut that part off and I can rework it. I may just leave it for right this second. It's not too difficult. Just such like that. I'm just gonna straighten that back out. Move them over a little bit. I don't smash anyone. There's our queen right there. Hopefully you can see her. She's a beauty. Looking good. Lots of honey on this board. Alright, got one last frame to look at, and I can close this sucker up. Not a lot going on this board yet. I'm going to slide all of these back so I can put those 2 frames that I set to the side out. And just move slow. Give them time to get out of the way. Alright, so our first hive inspection is all 3 hives are looking good. I'm going to go ahead and move or widen the entrance reducer on both of these and install feeders. Look out, ladies. You got your sisters. There we go. Everybody's in. That one's looking good. I'm going to give them a tiny bit of smoke just to move them off of the edges. Give them a chance to get out of here so I don't smash them. There we go. And I'm just going to put our inner cover on. Really quick. Come on, lady. In or out. Make up your mind. And our top cover. There we go. Alright, our hive inspection is done. Everyone's looking really good. I took the entrance reducers off. I put the feeders. Well, the first hive already had one. I got the second one on. I need to go get a third one for the last hive. But everything is looking really good. Alright, that was our first hive inspection, and everything looks really good. I'm really impressed with how the nukes are doing. The swarm hive is going out great. I'm going to have to start thinking about getting some second brood boxes put together and ready to go soon because they are filling up really fast. But thank you all for joining us on our hive inspection. I'm so glad you came along, and I hope you enjoyed that. And we'll see you next time at the cottage. Bye.